Hello friends, how are you? Fine? Good. Today we learn about our chemistry lesson, classification of elements, the periodic table. It is very interesting chapter. In this chapter we learn some important points in the form of bits. Okay, ready? The physical and chemical properties of elements are a periodic functions of their atomic weights is the principle called Mendeleev's law. The combining capacity of an element with respect to hydrogen is called valency. Unit of ionization energy is electronic volt or kilocalorie per mole or kilojoule per mole. Helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon are called noble or inert gases. Father of periodic table is Mendeleev. Lithium, sodium, potassium and sulfur, selenium, tellurium are Dobereiner's triads. The incomplete period of the periodic table is seventh period. The atomic weight of the middle element is the average of the atomic weights of the first and third elements. This is called Dobereiner's law of triads. The number of protons or positive charges in the atom of an element is called the dash of the element, atomic number of the element. The 4f and 5f elements are called lanthanides and actinides respectively. Answer is lanthanides, actinides. The distance between the nucleus and outermost shell is known as atomic radius. Elements which have properties that are intermediate between the properties of metals and non-metals are called metalloids or semi-metals. Atomic radius is measured in picometer. 1 picometer is equal 10 to the power of minus 12 meters. Energy released or liberated when an electron is added to its neutral gaseous atom is called electron affinity. We know highest electron affinity element is chlorine. The positive ions are called and negative ions are called cations, anions. The positive ions are called cations. The negative charge ions are called anions. More the shells with electrons between the nucleus and the valency shell, they act as screens and decrease nuclear attraction over valency electron is called screening effect. The most electronegative element is fluorine and the least electronegative or more positive, stable element is cesium. We know radioactive element is francium. It is a stable element. Elements in the modern periodic table are arranged how many groups and how many periods? 18 groups, 7 periods. D block elements are also called as transition elements. Modern periodic table based on atomic number or electronic configuration. Okay friends, thank you for listening.